right, we're going to go ahead and start working on our guided class practice. So number 1 says there are 43 jump ropes and 12 balls for the children to use during recess. 15 children are using jump ropes. How many jump ropes are not being used? All right, let's go back and underline our important information. So there are 43 jump ropes, and there are 12 balls for the children to use during recess. 15 of them are using jump ropes. So how many jump ropes are not being used? So the question is asking us about jump ropes. So let's see. We have a total of, 43 jump ropes. And then we have 15 children using jump ropes. 15 children. So what we need to do here is just subtract 15 from 43 to see how many are left and not being used. So in order to do that, we have to subtract. We know we cannot take 5 from 3, so we're going to have to borrow from the 4. We're going to cross out the 4, change that to a 3, and bring that 10 over to the 1's column. So now we have 13 minus 5, which equals, everyone get ready? Yes, 8. And over on the other side, we have 3 minus 1, which equals 2. So it looks like we have 28 jump ropes left. So let's write our number sentence. It is 43 jump ropes. I'm just going to abbreviate. Minus 15 children equals 28 jump ropes. So the answer is 28, excuse my handwriting, 28 jump ropes. Good. So let's look at number 2. This is a tally to show how many children choose each color. Color the graph to show the colors the children choose. All right, let's look at our graph here. So on the left we have yellow, and we have, 5, 10. So let's see. So we know we have 10 children that chose yellow. So what we're going to do is color in the yellow all the way up to the 10. Okay. And then the purple, let's see if I can get purple. Purple has, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to color up to 7 with the purple. 2, 4, 6, and looks like half of this one will be 7. Alrighty. Next, we are going to use pink, kind of pink. We have 5 in the pink column, so we're just going to color in 2, 4, and half of that block to indicate 5. Oops. All right, so for number 3, it says color 4½ squares. So it doesn't say what color, so we can choose any color we want. So I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, and a half. So just going to color in 4½ squares. For number 4, it says put a small square in each right angle of this shape. Use a corner of a piece of paper to check the angles. Let's look. How many right angles are there? I see 1, 2. So we have 2 right angles. Remember, right angle makes the capital letter L in any direction. Okay? And it says trace the parallel line segments using a red crayon. So parallel line segments are going to be these two that are facing each other. Number 5, what numbers would you use to estimate the sum of 23 and 65? So when we estimate, we round our numbers. And you remember from if the number ends in a 5 or above, we round up. 4 or below, we round down. So the number 23, we would use the number 20. And for number 65, we would round up and we'd use the number 70. Okay. All right, continuing to number 6, it says find the answers. So good trick with when they're lined up sideways like this is we kind of find our tens. That kind of helps us make it really easy. So we know 3 plus 7 equals 10. And we know 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then we have the 2 left over. So we can count 10, 20, 2. So our answer is going to be 22. If you would like to go ahead and write down these addition and subtraction problems on a separate piece of paper so that you can work on them, you can go ahead and press pause on the video and do them on your own and then come back and check and see how you did. That is fine. But I'm going to go ahead and start working on these. So 85 plus 35, we know 5 plus 5 is 10. So we put our 0 down and we carry that 1 up top. And 8 plus 1 is 9, and 9 plus 3 equals, 12. So our answer there is 120. The next problem, 94 minus 25. Well, we can't take away 5 from 4, so we must borrow from the tens column. So we're going to cross out that 9, make it an 8, because we're bringing one of those tens over here. So that 4 becomes a 14. So now we can take 5 away from 14, which equals 9. And then we have over here an 8 now, and 8 minus 2 equals 6. So the answer is 69. For the last one, we've got a 3-digit addition problem. So we have 7 plus 5, which equals 12. We put our 2 down here, and we carry that 1 up top. So we've got 3 plus 8 equals 11. So we're going to put one of the ones there and one of the ones on top of the 3. So now we have 4 plus 4, which equals 8. So the answer is 812. Good job, everyone.